Hello everyone, welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Today we are back with the updated features and plugins updated layout of the invoice system for the WooCommerce free plugin. So this is Munam from Make Web Better and today I'm going to demonstrate the newly added features of our invoice plugin. Guys, before proceeding forward, I would like to inform you that if you are watching this video for the first time, then you can check the previous parts as mentioned in the video description content, and if you haven't installed the plugin till yet, you can get it from video description. So let's get started. So in this video, you will learn about how to automatically attach invoice with WooCommerce Mail and how to set status of orders to allow invoice download for users. So let's begin with the demo video. So we are on the backend settings of invoice system for WooCommerce free plugin. So in this demo video, I will be explaining you what are the changes in the layout and what are the new features that have been added in this free plugin. So as you can see that new tab has been added like invoice settings. So in the previous demo video that was on invoice system for WooCommerce, so only general settings, system status and overview tab were there. But now one new tab that has been added is invoice settings. So let me click on this. So as you can see that a separate tab has been added in the invoice settings. So these tabs like company details, invoice number, renew date, disclaimer, color and the company logo, and add logo on invoice and choose template. So these features I have already explained in detail in the part 1 of the demo video. So we have mentioned a link in the description content, so you can watch it from there. So as you can see that these are the two formats of the template. Let me show you. So this is the first format of the template and this is the second format of the template. So as you can see that these are basically the two formats of the template. So now let's again go back to the backend settings and let's click on general settings. So the very first field is enable the plugin. So from here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can enable this functionality to start the functionality of invoice system for WooCommerce on your WordPress website or WooCommerce store. Next field is automatically attach invoice. So this feature has been added in this plugin. So with this, as soon as the merchant or the shop owner enable this functionality, so the invoices will be automatically attached to the WooCommerce mails that will be sent to the customers. Next field is order status to send invoice for. So as you can see that this field has been shifted in general settings. In the general settings, the invoice settings were also there in the previous layout, but in this updated layout, this field is there in general settings and rest of the invoice settings have been shifted to the next tab. So here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can decide on which order status the invoices will be sent. Like if I select completed, so when the admin or the WooCommerce merchant will complete the order from the backend, then the invoices will be sent to the customers. Next is download invoices for users at order status. So this new feature has been added in this plugin. Like here, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can decide on which particular status the customers will be able to download the invoices. Like let me select pending payment, processing, on hold, and completed. So these are the 4 order status that I have selected. So let me click on save settings. So the settings have been saved successfully. So now let's move to shop page and let's add this product to the cart and let's view the cart and let's proceed to checkout and let's place the order. So as you can see that the option of downloading the invoice is coming because we have from here we have set the order status for the pending payment, processing, on hold or completed. So the option of downloading the invoice will be available for the users. So this is how you can decide the particular order status on which the users can download the invoice. So before moving to the next field, let me show you how the customers or the users will be getting the email along with the invoice attached when the order status is set to the complete from the backend. Like here, like this, the customers or the users will be getting the mail along with the invoices attached. So this is because we have enabled the functionality to automatically attach the invoices. So the invoices will be attached and this is how that this will be sent to the customers. Next field is generate invoices from cache. So with this functionality enabled, like as soon as the admin or the WooCommerce merchant has enabled this functionality and clicked on save settings, so the invoices once downloaded will be stored in the preferred location. So in the pro version demo video of the plugin, I have explained you how this invoices will be stored in the Dropbox. So the feature of Dropbox is available in the pro version of the plugin. So I have explained you in detail how this invoices will be stored in the Dropbox. So you can check out the demo video on premium features. We have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can watch it from there. So one thing you have to make sure while enabling this field. So once settings are enabled, so changes done after the invoices generation will not be reflected in the earlier invoices, and whatever the changes done after enabling this functionality, so the changes will be reflected from there. So now let's move to WooCommerce and click on orders. So from here the admin can perform bulk action related to downloading the invoice or downloading the packing slips. So as you can see that like if the admin like clicks on this particular 3 orders and you want to download the packing slips at once, so he can perform the actions or download the invoice at once. And he can also perform the bulk actions like move to trash or change status to processing, on hold, completed or cancelled. So I have also made or created the demo video on how to download the bulk PDF invoices, so you can watch the part 2 of this demo video. So we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can watch it from there. So now let's again move back to the backend settings. So this was all about the updated layout and the new features added in this invoice system for WooCommerce free plugin. So if you want to watch the part 1 and part 2 of the invoice system for WooCommerce free plugin, so we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can click on the link and watch the demo video related to invoice system for WooCommerce part 1 and part 2 of the plugin. So this was all about the demo video on invoice system for WooCommerce plugin. So if you have any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, so you can mention your queries in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. And we have also mentioned the support links in the description content, so you can also reach out to us from there also. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.